Today I am gonna help you how to fix this guy, DeWalt. And DeWalt it's working, but as you see, look at this cable. It's so messed up. See? You see? So we're gonna take it out to this old cable and put this brand new cable. So first things first, of course, what we're gonna do, you need the screwdriver, scissors, and soldering tools. The hammer, in case that I cannot fix it, I just smashed this DeWalt drill. So, come on, let's try. Here, there's the two screw that we will take it out. As you see, oh come on, this is not the right one, and I have to get, okay, so right here, okay, of course it's gonna take time, but everything takes time to do. See right here. So last screw here, two screws I put somewhere safe, and then easy, like pull it, as you see, right there, two cables go through. One is black, one is white. So pulling this guy, take it out, and oh, let me, sorry, just that connection. So not professional way. Already it's cut. What we're gonna do? This is the just take it out. Okay. What we're gonna do? So take it out this all the way. Right, easy way it's coming out. This is the old one, and just take it. All this junk. Okay, what we do, this is the just measure here that I'm gonna, I can cut this guy from here, just from here, cut it a little bit more, okay. Then we can throw this old one, this is the new one, here you are, it's white goes to white, and black goes to black. This is gonna stay alone. Okay. So let me see what is it. Oh, this is so smashy. Okay, Lord, you're gonna take it out the skin. Like right there. A little bit more. Maybe I can cut more. Let me cut more because I don't like the longer. A little bit more. Okay, that's here. This is good. This guy here. Maybe a little bit more. Right here. Okay. Okay, let's get this guy here. Okay, pull it. This guy is exactly same place, right there. Okay, this is this. Then cut it this guy to same size as this. Black and white. Yeah. This is the guy. Then twist together like this, as you see. Pull it together and twist it as much as you can. With the hand. Oh, this is the guy that we used, the soldering iron, and then just I'm gonna put the hair that, yeah, it's gonna be heat. We'll solder this and this guy to white, and same way Just twist it together. Okay. This is the one we're gonna use, plastic. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it inside like this after the soldering. This for safety. And then we're gonna press from here. So we will use this plastic ones. Okay. Sorry guys, we forgot to put this the cover safety things, and I have to show it to you like this, and just push it inside, and yeah, this is the way it is. I'm sorry, but not too late. This sits here, and then let's do it. So what we're gonna do, this is the solder, this is the soldering iron. Just put on these white things, and okay, here, a little bit more, here. Now, just hold this, that's, it's gonna get heat, then this will solder it. Still needs to get hot. It's not yet. Almost maybe. As you see all the way down. That makes together solid, like that. Yeah, exactly. Now this is the one we're gonna do. Yeah, it takes time because it should get hot, this 2-wire. Then you just bring this solder together, as you see. Okay, see, as you see. And you see the white one, which means it's soldering. Right there, Okay, almost done. Okay, this is done. Now guys, I soldered both wires together. Now just put this plastic cover on top of 2 white cover and the wire. So just press here. Just press. As you see, this is holds together. Now this goes the black wire to wire. As much as push it as much as you can, and then just press from here. Okay, this is the way. Yeah, it's holding, as you see. I am pulling, doesn't go. Also, second safety things, and then you can put this black tape. That is gonna be safer. So that, in case, you know, that I like to make everything safe. This is the way that you can tape. This is right, exactly that. Another one that I can get a little bit more. Then put the other one, black one. This is. That goes here. Then that's it. Oh, that's it. This goes only. This is, yeah. This goes like here, like that. Okay. What happened? It's done. Maybe I can push it inside of this cable, but if it's not possible, then just leave it right there. Then push it this on sideway, like this. Right there. So we can cover now this. Put it back. Screw. We can screw it now. Right there. 2 screw. One here. One more screw here. Yeah, so brand new cable. So pause it. Guys, now I just fix it, put this new wire, and I just put the plug in, and then look at this guy. Look at now. See? That's working, and we have a new cable. It's fantastic machine. This is so good machine. Yeah, you can enjoy now. So we fixed it this. Thank you for watching. With another video, I will see you guys. Take care.